Yo, this is sick. Wobbly? Yo, oh my word. It's okay, we safe. We safe, bros. Don't look safe. There's a pipe. Yo. Oh. You can keep moving. That's not very cool. We're surfing, boys. We're surfing. Oh, it's literally just bouncing. Yeah. That's okay, nice cool. To know. That's nice to know that we're safe. Coda doesn't like it. Coda, come on. Nope. So where's the furnace? I'm gonna go try to find the furnace. Cause it's cool. Furnace cool. Why is there so? This is where we're going. Elizabeth Furnace. Yeah. So we're gonna go do that. Cause we're here and we don't know for how long. So yeah. Say hi. Your mom. Okay. That is the way we meet each other. With the excellent remarks of stupid teenager time. Oh no, we didn't. It said that up there, there's like a bridge sort of thing that the coal, either the iron or the coal would go and then drop in there. Water from Patrick Creek flowed through this ditch known as the head race. Head race fed water into the water wheel that provided the power to operate. Yeah, that's the furnace. Furnace contents were kept on glowing by a continuous water supply from water flowing to the head race. The water turned the water wheel, forcing the bellows up and down. This pushed air into the furnace and kept the fires hot. This is the pig iron like leak right here. This is just, it's metal. Yeah, this is a part where you can go inside. There's also another part right here that you can go inside. Yeah. Huh? How did you get on it? Well, you just go up here. Oh. Have you gotten on it? Yeah. Hey, Mom. Hello. I'm on top of the building. Look at the creek. There's just a pit. I think this is where they unpurposefully caved it in, or when it was destroyed. Only one way to find out.
No, if you jump into water, it won't kill you.
In fact, you'll be just fine.
No, it won't.
I mean, like, I could definitely survive a fall from this.
Okay.
Yeah, I
This rock is not stable.
jump on it.
I'm in the fence. How did I get in here? I'm lost. I'm trapped. This is still just so cool. That's so cool. Up.